A mechanic is someone who works on engines or other machines and builds or repairs them. Mechanics are typically employed in shops or garages and are trained to utilize specialized tools. Car mechanics, motorcycle mechanics, tractor mechanics, and aviation mechanics are the most prevalent types of mechanics. The car mechanics check vehicles, do routine maintenance, and repair vehicles as needed. In this video, we will be looking at how to become a mechanic. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. If an automobile isn't working correctly, it may likely need diagnostic tests to pinpoint the source of the problem. So, you should take your car to a mechanic if it is making an odd noise. This word's original meaning was laborer or one who works with his hands. As a mechanic, you must be willing to get your hands dirty. There are various reasons you should consider being a mechanic. One of the reasons is job stability. Almost everyone has a vehicle. In some homes, the driveway has many cars parked in it. These cars will always need to be serviced or repaired. Therefore, a mechanic will always be in demand. Secondly, there is the freedom to move. A mechanic has unrestricted access in the work area. Your Fitbit will adore it because you'll be in, around, and under automobiles. Also, being a mechanic allows you to help others. We've all been delayed in traffic congestion because someone's car broke down. Imagine being the hero who rescues the day and assists them by resolving the issue. Another reason for being a mechanic is the respect you get from the job. With more people seeking a qualified skill, mechanics are now one of Australia's most in-demand service trades. If you love cars and like fixing things, then you should consider becoming a mechanic. You get to spend your days surrounded by vehicles. You'll be sore, exhausted, and coated in grease most days, but if you love cars, then it will all be worth it. Consider all of the fantastic vehicles you'll see. Then you will also be saving lives in a way. Mechanics, like doctors, will always be needed to diagnose problems with your car and may be able to rescue you from an accident on the road. A mechanic is in charge of checking and repairing cars, trucks, and other machinery. These experts are often service technicians in maintenance inspections, inventory management, mechanical component assembly, and repair. Furthermore, safety inspections and other testing may be performed by car mechanics to ensure that a vehicle meets state regulations for being considered roadworthy. Changing the oil or other fluids, changing or rotating the tires, or replacing worn equipment like brake pads are examples of maintenance jobs. They are frequently found working in garages that are located indoors. In the United States, a mechanic's average hourly wage is $20.93, with $6,750 in overtime per year. To become a mechanic, firstly, you must obtain a diploma from a high school. Employers value applicants who have had automotive training in high school. Many high schools offer auto technician classes to help you get ready for a career as a mechanic. If your school does not include auto repair, computing, or physics, shop classes can provide background information. Secondly, obtain a diploma, certificate, or degree by completing a program. Community colleges, vocational schools, private technical schools, and career training centers offer diploma, certificate, and degree programs in auto repair. Associate's degree programs teach you how to use various electronic diagnostic instruments, power tools, and hand tools to fix a car's primary systems and explain how they work. Auto shop procedures, shop management, and electrical principles are all standard courses. Some diploma and certificate programs focus solely on engine repair and one or two other systems, such as brakes and electrical systems. Others come close to matching associate's degree programs in scope. Thirdly, get jobs. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, most of your work options will be with auto shops and automobile dealers. Other options include parts businesses, tire shops, fleet operations, car rental services, and government entities. Then next, you obtain certification. Although not necessary, certification by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE, is the industry standard prevalent among mechanics in metropolitan cities. Electrical and electronic systems, heating and air conditioning, engine maintenance, and brakes are among the 8 categories you can obtain ASE certification. If you pass the certification exams in all 8 areas, you'll be a master technician. Each certification is valid for 5 years and must be renewed by retesting. Lastly, improve your job prospects, extending your skill set to heavy diesel trucks and buses, obtaining a promotion to shop supervisor, or founding your shop are all alternatives for progression in the mechanic business. Other options include moving into auto sales, auto parts sales, or automotive writing. You may become a repair estimator or an educator with additional training. Additionally, a mechanic's education and skill might take anywhere from 2 to 5 years to acquire. Before working full-time, most businesses want technicians to get at least one certification from the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. These schools charge between $15,000 and $20,000 for car mechanic training. The cost of your mechanic program will be determined by your location, the length of time it takes to complete, and any special training you take. It would help if you had Automotive Technology Associate's degree or certificate. Other requirements include ASE certification, which most employers require, and continuous education is usually required. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.